leadership is really something that you may say probably that it's been here for many years, but it is something that I think I am working every day for me to continue to grow. But the kind of leadership that I do, it's anchored in three core principles, Ms. Dina. First is clarity. For me, clarity in where we're going and why it matters. I believe that people just don't follow your instructions, they follow your purpose. So, with the team that I have, I've been working with the team. Most of them are with me for many, many years, and they've known me as someone who would make sure that I will be very clear in what I would want them to do in terms of direction, in terms of empowering them. Also, it's very important for the team, especially for those who thought that they are not contributing enough to the overall vision of Yusana, that they know that no matter how what they do or their contributions are not considered small.